Welcome to the in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold for a while the application and drag the zip to another one, for example to this one. And as can you see here, we got the new folder on our screen, and by the same way you can just add you can add here one more application to this folder. Just hold for a while and drag it to the folder. Also, what's going on? Also, you can add here applications just by tap here to this plus. And here, as can you see, we got these three selected applications. And for example, just we wanna add here the music, the video, and the temps application. So just you should tap on one from these available applications and just tap to OK. And as can you see here, we got more applications in our folder now. And if you want to just remove one from the applications, you can just hold for a while the app and drag it, for example, here to our home to our screen. Or also you can make it by the second way. Just tap here once on the plus icon and just tap again. For example, we want to remove these three applications, just tap again, and as can you see here, we got selected only two apps, and just tap to OK to save the changes. So that's really simple, as can you see, and we got these apps here again on our screen. And if you want, you can just rename the folder. Just tap here on the folder name, and for example, enter your own folder name. I'll go with the apps. And now, as can you see, we just rename our folder. Also, we can just move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. And if you want, you can drag it between the screens, or also you can create the new screen with the folder. So that's how it looks, and thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.